Hello children, today we also come to the world of wildlife. The tiger Panthera tigris is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. It is most recognizable for its dark vertical stripes on orange fur with a white underside. An apex predator, it primarily preys on ungulates, such as deer and wild boar. It is territorial and generally a solitary but social predator, requiring large contiguous areas of habitat to support its requirements for prey and rearing of its offspring. Tiger cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years and then become independent, leaving their mother's home range to establish their own. The lion Panthera leo is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, broad-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and a hairy tuft at the end of its tail. It is sexually dimorphic. Adult male lions are larger than females and have a prominent mane. 4. It is a social species, forming groups called prides. A lioness pride consists of a few adult males, related females, and cubs. Groups of female lions usually hunt together, preying mostly on large ungulates. The lion is an apex and keystone predator. Although some lions scavenge when opportunities occur and have been known to hunt humans, lions typically do not actively seek out and prey on humans. Cheetah, sometimes billed as cheetah, cheetah, and cheetah, is a chimpanzee character that appeared in numerous Hollywood Tarzan films of the 1930s, 1960s, as well as the 1966 to 1968 television series, as the ape sidekick of the title character, Tarzan. Cheetah has usually been characterized as male, but sometimes as female, and has been portrayed by chimpanzees of both sexes. The wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf, is a large canine native to Eurasia and North America. More than 30 subspecies of Canis lupus have been recognized, including the dog and dingo, though gray wolves, as popularly understood, only comprise naturally occurring wild subspecies. The wolf is the largest extant member of the family Canidae, and is further distinguished from other Canis species by its less pointed ears and muzzle, as well as a shorter torso and a longer tail. The wolf is nonetheless related closely enough to smaller Canis species, such as the coyote and the golden jackal, to produce fertile hybrids with them. The wolf's fur is usually mottled white, brown, gray, and black, although subspecies in the Arctic region may be nearly all. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus Giraffa. It is the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant on Earth. Traditionally, giraffes were thought to be one species, Giraffa camelopardalis, with 9 subspecies. Most recently, researchers proposed dividing them into up to 8 extant species due to new research into their mitochondrial and nuclear DNA, as well as morphological measurements. 7 other extinct species of giraffa are known from the fossil record. The brown bear Ursus arctos is a large bear species found across Eurasia and North America. In North America, the populations of brown bears are called grizzly bears, while the subspecies that inhabits the Kodiak Islands of Alaska is known as the Kodiak bear. It is one of the largest living terrestrial members of the order Carnivora, rivaled in size only by its closest relative, the polar bear Ursus maritimus, which is much less variable in size and slightly bigger on average. The brown bear's range includes parts of Russia, Central Asia, the Himalayas, China, Canada, the United States, Hokkaido, Scandinavia, Finland, the Balkans, the Picos de Europa and the Carpathian region, especially Romania, Iran, Anatolia, and the Caucasus. 1.9. The brown bear is recognized. The harbor or harbor seal Phoca vitulina, also known as the common seal, is a true seal found along temperate and Arctic marine coastlines of the northern hemisphere. The most widely distributed species of pinniped walruses, eared seals, and true seals, they are found in coastal waters of the northern Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, Baltic and North Seas. The stellar sea lion Eumetopias jubatus, also known as stellar sea lion or the northern sea lion, is a large, near-threatened species of sea lion, predominantly found in the coastal marine habitats of the northeast Pacific Ocean and the Pacific Northwest regions of North America, from north-central California to Oregon, Washington and British Columbia to Alaska. Their range continues across the northern Pacific and the Aleutian Islands, all the way to Kamchatka, Magadan Oblast, and the Sea of Okhotsk, south to Honshu's northern coastline. It is the sole member of the genus. The giant panda Ailuropoda melanoleuca, sometimes panda bear or simply panda, is a bear species endemic to China. It is characterized by its bold black and white coat and rotund body. The name giant panda is sometimes used to distinguish it from the red panda, a neighboring mustaloid. Though it belongs to the order Carnivora, the giant panda is a folivore, with bamboo shoots and leaves making up more than 99% of its diet. Giant pandas in the wild occasionally eat other grasses, wild tubers, or even meat in the form of birds, rodents, or carrion. In captivity, they may receive honey, eggs, fish, yams, shrub leaves, oranges, or bananas along with specially prepared food. The bald eagle Haliaeetus leucocephalus is a bird of prey found in North America. A sea eagle, it has two known subspecies and forms a species pair with the white-tailed eagle Haliaeetus albicilla, which occupies the same niche as the bald eagle in the Palearctic. Its range includes most of Canada and Alaska, all of the contiguous United States, and northern Mexico. It is found near large bodies of open water with an abundant food supply and old-growth trees for nesting. African elephants are members of the genus Loxodonta, comprising two living elephant species, the African bush elephant L. africana and the smaller African forest elephant L. cyclotis. Both are social herbivores with gray skin, but differ in the size and color of their tusks and in the shape and size of their ears and skulls. Both species are considered at heavy risk of extinction on the IUCN Red List. As of 2021, the bush elephant is considered endangered and the forest elephant is considered critically endangered. They are threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation, and poaching for the illegal ivory trade is a threat in several range countries as well. Orangutans are great apes native to the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia. They are now found only in parts of Borneo and Sumatra, but during the Pleistocene they ranged throughout Southeast Asia and South China. Classified in the genus Pongo, orangutans were originally considered to be one species. From 1996, they were divided into two species, the Bornean orangutan P. pygmaeus, with three subspecies and the Sumatran orangutan P. abelii. A third species, the Tapanuli orangutan P. tapanuliensis, was identified definitively in 2017. The orangutans are the only surviving species of the subfamily Pongini, which diverged genetically from the other hominids gorillas, chimpanzees, and humans between 19.3 and 15.7 million years ago.